7482 Aurora Glow. We're starting on the inside of the property because there are a number of people trying to get in right now. So we have tile, and the tile is brought up to sort of act like baseboards. The walls are darker than we usually like. It's pretty dark actually, but the paint actually looks to be in decent condition. So the cabinets look to be in good shape, same shape as they appear to be on the MLS. Over here you can see a little bit of that just streaky stuff. The blinds are inset into the slider. We have the 2.5-inch Fernwood blinds. The tile is great. It's kind of an interesting layout. So you can see the weed barrier here, but it also looks like there is a lot of rock. So we need to clean up the palm trees a little bit. We have this discoloration around the door there. That's a quick and easy fix. So we have these beautiful washer dryers, and the light's not working in here. But we have cabinets on this side and shelves on this side all the way down. Tile is carried through. We have a fridge, water softener system, earthquake straps, and a pan. We have 2.5-inch Fernwood blinds. We have this decor here on the ground as well. Okay, I'm gonna hurry and go upstairs. Oh, there's more. And the powder room. Okay. And we have the same matching details there. So some damage to the baseboard, super easy to fix that. Upstairs needs to be repainted. There's too many areas have been poorly patched over, and it's dark. Carpet looks great, blinds look great. Yeah, so definitely repaint the whole upstairs. Oh, we have 2 closets. Okay. Probably want to add some closet doors. Carpet looks great. Carpet looks great. Blinds look good. Tile. Cabinets look okay. We have some white paint there. Light fixtures all look good. Why would you do that? I don't know. I've seen that in one other house. Maybe to prevent people from slipping when they get out. The property manager will tell us what to do with that. This is pretty. Yeah, bad paint job, but again, repaint the whole upstairs. Carpet looks good. Okay, oh, and fix that. Easy fix. Okay, let's see if I can get a video of the front of the property before people stampede in. Never mind, we're already there.